Well, good day, viewers, and welcome to Noel's Garden Tractors and Firewood. And today is going to be a hot one. The heat from yesterday kind of got soaked into the ground and sidewalks and pavement, and it's already hot here this morning. So you can see that thing growing on the side of the ditch out there. It's kind of like a little flower of some sort. I can't seem to get me zoom working. But anyway, I didn't plant that there. It just started growing, so I just been cutting around it. And the fellow that comes along with the tractor and the ditch mower, he leaves it alone too. He didn't. Usually they'd chew right over that thing. Anyway, oh dear, kind of funny. One year we had out at the right side, about where that pole is on the right side of the end of my driveway, there was a sunflower grew up there. Oh dear. Anyway, grass looks to be needing cutting, so that's going to happen this afternoon probably. And today we're on our way back to my son's place. And I'll show you something here in the garage from kind of an update from yesterday, maybe. I don't know what's with this camera. Anyway, let's zoom. The zoom don't work very good. I think it must be the plastic covering on the glass. If it doesn't like that, I guess. All right, let's see if we can get in here. Just got something to show you, so pertaining to yesterday, I guess. And yeah, we got some lights on. Half lights don't work anymore. Anyway, that's all right. Now, ooh, nice and cool in here. So yeah, I took this wheel home here yesterday, and I did get the bearings pounded out of it. It was so dirty and worn out, I didn't know if there was bearings in it or not, but there was, so got them out. Now, yesterday I went to 3 different places, and nobody had such a thing. And the third place I went to, they didn't have it either, but they at least could order it. So I've got 4 of those little bearings coming, so I can fix that wheel up and then have another set for another wheel. I think there's probably the wheel on the other side of that mower on the MF16 is probably going to need them soon too. So I'm just kind of trying to get ahead a little bit on that. Anyway, always the way with me when I'm trying to go find something. They either don't make it, or they don't have it, or they can't get it, or they have to order it. And always stuff that I can't seem to get. Just go and pick it off the shelf and go home. It just doesn't seem to happen with me. Always a problem trying to find stuff. Anyway, nice and cool in here. We'll see what the temperature is. 69 degrees, so 70 degrees, I guess. So, all right, I'll shut you off, and away I go. I'll head to my son's place. Good morning, tractors. Good morning. I say good morning to them every day. All right, so I'll get back to you later on.